Hey, Sam back here and welcome to this demo. And I'm excited to show you today GrowViral. This is a software that's going to help you to get traffic, help you get more leads and more sales as well. The reason we created this is that we wanted to give you a way of leveraging social media in a way that meant that you don't have to pay for ads or anything like that. You can use the power of viral contests and rewards to be able to encourage your new subscribers to share your page, boosting the amount of visitors you can get back to your opt-in pages and helping you to get more traffic, make more money, and obviously generate a better list of subscribers. So how do we do this? Well, let me show you an example right now of how you might use this software. I'll show you a few examples of how this works. Then I'll show you how we created this campaign, how easy it is to set up, and what you'll be able to do for your business as well. What I have right here is an opt-in page. Now this opt-in page looks like every opt-in page. However, the form on this page is very different from other opt-in pages out there. And let me show you why. Say for example, this is a headphone company and they want to boost awareness for their new type of headphones that they're bringing out very soon. They want to give away a pair to help to build awareness and to motivate their current customers to promote their brand to their friends who may not be familiar with their brand. What they can do is they can invite their customers or their current subscribers to this page right here. When their subscribers opt in, or when people that are familiar with their brand opt in, then what they can do is they can register right here. Now I'm just going to do that again because this has already been registered, and I'll do this right here. So they can register right here. And once they've registered, they'll go to this next page here. They're entered into the contest. And now, as you can see here, they're in the draw. Congratulations. Before you go though, would you like to increase the chances that you have of winning this pair of headphones? So now the user, the visitor, has the option of using this special link, which is unique to them, to share it and to get points. And they can do this by posting it around the web. They can do this by clicking on quick share links, such as this Facebook quick share link here, and saying, check this out. This is what will post on Facebook. They'll be able to post a public image that'll show really large and get people's attention. It'll also be pre-populated, as you can see right here, with content. They can then share on Twitter very easily. Within one click, they can share to Twitter. And you'll be able to see there, it's going to show up an image very soon showing that preview. They can share to their WhatsApp account. So they can actually send this directly to their friends through WhatsApp, just like this. They can send that there. Bang. Now that's going to post it. It'll also include a share image as well. And now they can, if they want to, send it over to LinkedIn. They can also, if they want to, directly share it to their email account. So they can say someone's email address and they'll be able to share that directly. And if they wanted to, they could also just use this link and they could post it around places like Skype. They could post it on Telegram and other messaging services such as that, like Facebook Messenger. Now, there's other ways that they can use this software as well. Say, for example, if they wanted to give away, or basically have people sign up for special benefits at a cafe. Say this is a client of yours. What you can do is you can have them sign up within this cafe. They could go here, your new visitors, and then they can see what types of rewards they're going to unlock. So the more they share this link right here, the more rewards the person that's interested in this business is going to receive. And that helps to grow this business's subscriber list and gain more awareness for their business. And again, it's the same process again. They click on Facebook. It's going to help them to share this. It's all pre-populated with what the business has written about their own company, what they want people to see when they're sharing their company. And again, it's the same process. They go through, they tweet. Again, that's the last image we showed. It's going to show up this image. It takes a little bit of time to load, and then it'll show that image there on there as well. They can share on WhatsApp, they can share on LinkedIn, they can share an email, or they can just copy this and send it out as well. And this can be done for any type of campaign. So we've set up many different example campaigns here where we've used these forms. Again, it's the same process here. They could join, they then go to the thank you page, and it has different rewards they can earn as a result of this. And if we would go to a pre-launch campaign, this is a style of campaign where you want to build excitement to an event. This could be an online event or somewhere else. Again, they can register for this online event. They can register here. join, and then they've got this form for sharing once again as well, with a special link where they'll actually get credited with different points for sharing. Currently we're giving away 10 points just for signing up, And then if they share, they're going to be able to share and win as a result of this as well. So you'll be able to change out your old forms for these viral forms, which are going to help you to basically use the traffic you're already getting to drive more traffic back to your website. Saving money, you're not going to have to spend money on ads. And the best thing about this is that this is a brand new software that you can use along with any external opt-in pages that you're doing right now, or you can actually use our standalone opt-in pages where you'll be able to basically install these forms, have people opt in, and then showcase this form to get some viral growth happening utilizing social media. So you understand how this process works now. You've seen some examples, and you can probably think of a few ways you can already use this software in your business. Now let me show you how easy these campaigns are to set up. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of our campaigns that we've already gone to, that we've already seen, that you've already had the opportunity to see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you right now the first campaign that we did, which is the e-commerce campaign. This is the campaign where we basically we're looking at giving away some headphones. So this one right here, this campaign right here. So the way we set this up is we first of all decided how many points someone's going to get for every action. So the first step when you do this, you go to set up your campaign, is to choose how many reward points you want to give out. You can choose 10 points or whatever amount. We've just pre-populated those 10 points for every action. So every person that someone refers to your website will gain 10 points, which will contribute to those rewards or give them extra entries into that grand prize that you might be giving away. In the headphones case, we decided that we weren't going to add any rewards. Instead, we were going to add a grand prize. And that's why we've turned on grand prize here. And the benefit of sharing when there's a grand prize turned on is that every time that someone shares, they gain more entries into the contest and they have a higher chance of winning that grand prize. You can choose here how you want people selected. They can pick winners. You can pick winners randomly. You could pick the winners yourself, or you could make, say, for example, the top 5 people, they could win this prize if they wanted to. You can also set the start date and the end date of your prize as well. Now you can design your form. We've made this highly customizable. It's really easy to customize your form. You can add additional fields. You can customize the colors of this. You can make the background transparent. You can include backgrounds in the background if you want. You can add text as we've added here, and you can do a lot within this. It just depends on what kind of page you're adding this to. And if you're using this standalone, then you can design it as a standalone form. And we've got a couple of defaults that you can use, a couple of default designs that you'll be able to use to build that. Now you can customize the reward page. This is the page with the sharing available on it. You can customize your text here however you want. You can delete it, for example. You can edit. You can grab this URL and you can customize the look and feel of this and also which fields are in here as well. You can click Save Changes and then move on to the next step. Now, obviously, one of the most important aspects, if not the most important aspect of gaining traffic from social media is what's presented in the marketing message, kind of like a Facebook advertisement. You want to get people clicking. So you want an attractive image and you want text that stands out and gets people's attention. So that's what we filled out here. We filled out a title that grabs people's attention. We've also filled out a description as well. And we've included as part of this person who is listening to these headphones, and they're going to grab people's attention as they go to this website. We've turned all the emails. One of the most valuable parts of gaining traction with this campaign is once people sign up, encouraging them to continue to share. And with this campaign, every time that someone does an action that promotes them being able to get more points, or maybe if they're just 10 points away from the next reward, we can actually send them emails automatically to let them know that so they continue to share. We've also got email settings here as well, email configurations, and a few more advanced settings that are located down here. And then we've got this easy installation form right here. You can just grab the form URL and you can grab this and share this right away to your subscribers if you wanted to. Or you can copy to the clipboard this embed code here. You can add it to your pages, and it works with all of the main software out there: ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Groove Pages, all of those. We've tested it all. It works really, really well. And you'll be able to add this to that page, and you'll be able to have that form gather people into the form, capture people into your subscriber list. We integrate with all of the main subscriber lists or subscriber email marketing broadcast systems out there. capture people into your list, encourage them to share, build a bigger list, and then you can direct them to whichever page you want them to, and you can also show them a message that encourages them to share as well. So these campaigns, they can increase the amount of traffic, amount of leads, and amount of sales that you make by up to 300%. And if you go viral over social media, if your campaign is good enough and you've got something really attractive to give away, for a client or in your own business, then you can really gain some traction and generate a whole lot of traffic fast using these campaigns. It basically transforms regular opt-in campaigns into automatic lead generating campaigns that mean that you don't need to go out and work for traffic yourself. This form right here will do all the work for you, allowing you to focus on other parts of your business while you motivate your subscribers to do all the sharing and all the traffic generation for you using incentives. So that's what the software can do. If you want to get access to this software, we have a brand new founder special. We're super excited about this. We have a lot that's coming and we're building into this software, but this is the first time we've actually allowed people to get in publicly. And as a result of that, we have a really, really special offer that you'll be able to take advantage of down below on this page. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Baker. Also quickly, you can also manage your campaigns once they've started. You can generate leads within your campaigns. You can detect fraud. We've got analytics. We've got a way of seeing who's winning those grand prizes and choosing those grand prize winners based on how many people are signing up for your campaigns. We also have some additional tools to help you to promote your campaigns and a lot more built into the software to help you to get people motivated in sharing your campaigns as well. So it doesn't just stop with what I've shown you. We've actually got a lot of features in here to help you and your subscribers to get motivated to get more leads, visitors, sales back to your campaign. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Baker. Hope you've seen something here that you're excited about. As I said, we've got a founder special. It will be a super low cost. And if you're paying monthly or yearly for this software right now, a similar software to this, you can cancel that because we solve this problem for you for a one-time cost and we're making it available as part of this founder special. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Baker. Talk to you soon. See you later.